Hello there, Mr. Manham here. Just going on to another C++ problem, number 5, I believe. Consider the following C++ program in which the statements are in the incorrect order. Rearrange the statements so that it prompts the user to input the radius of a circle and output the area of circumference of the circle. No, wait. So basically, it's about a mixed up program that's been put together incorrectly. So this shouldn't be too hard. For some reason, the int main is inside the little thingy. That one, let's just declare const double. I believe that's on the outside. Const double pi equals 3.14. This is placed at the very end by the looks of things. And then double circumference should be fine. Let's see, what else is there? Area pi, radius. So let's also set the radius. Double area. I know people can't see it. I'm a little bit lazy. It takes like 15 minutes to type this all down, all mixed up and everything. And I just don't have the patience for that. I'd much rather just type down things so I can get stuff done. So, let's see. I guess we'll start with the... all you need to do is input the radius by the looks of things. So, CT radius. Oh, I forgot. Radius. Yep. Okay, that one's done. And sine radius. And then we can put the area, which equals pi times, that's not right, times radius times radius. That should do it. And then circumference is equal to 2 times pi times, I keep messing things up, 2 times pi times radius. Did I spell this wrong? Circumference. Unresolved identifier? Circum. Oh. Spelled that. Circumference. Then we can output this. area is equal to radius, area why do I keep misspelling these? And the circumference is equal to circumference and L. That should be it, right? So let's build. Build. Did I spell this wrong again? Let's see. Count circumference. This is going to turn into a bigger pain in the ass when the programs get longer. So, should have asked to enter the radius. So, radius, let's go with 4. The area is 50 times 20, 50.24. Let's try to run it again. Just make sure. Let's go with number 2. The area, 12.56. The circumference is 12.56. Which is, yeah, should be right. Okay, next. Number 6. We're at the 7-minute mark. Okay, number 6. Consider the following program segment. Include statements using namespace, int main, valuable declaration, executable statements, and return statement. Okay, write a C++ statement that includes the header files iostream and string. So write a C++ statement that allows you to use sign, count, and endl without the prefix sexual transmitted disease. I know it doesn't mean that, but I couldn't help myself. Write C++ statement that declare the following variables: name of type string and study hours of type double. Name of type. Okay, write a C++ statement that props and input a string into name and a double value into study hours. Write a C++ statement that outputs the values of name and study hours with the appropriate text. For example, if the value of name is Donald and the value of study hours is 4.5, the output is, hello Donald, on Saturday you need to study 4.5 hours for the exam. That is 4.5 hours? Like, why only 4.5 hours? You would think they'd be studying for like 20. I mean, I've never seen a person study for only 4.5 hours on an exam, unless they're extremely confident. But yeah, let's go ahead and start a new program. We're going to call it Chapter 2, Problem 6. I don't want... I should put a date like I did on this one, but it's fine. I already have dates on the others, so let's go ahead. I hate having to open it by myself. Come on. Let me change that. So chapter 2, problem 6. That should do it. Now we've opened. So let's declare the string. Oh, first things first, I gotta change this to IOStream. Did I have to write include string or IOStream? I can't remember. Yeah, I do. So we're going to include string. Perfect. So what was the first thing that I need to do? Blah, 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 blah. So string, can't remember I was supposed to put a capital or what. So string name, because, yeah, I was probably, I'm mixing it up with the other programs. You know, I should probably learn Python by this point, because for some odd reason companies are doing more likely hire people that are learning Python. I don't like Python. I took a class of it in high school. I did not enjoy it. For some reason, learning C++ is easier compared to Python. But then again, I was doing it online, and the person that you were talking to was teaching via chat and not, you know, through word of mouth. So it made it extremely difficult and hard to ask questions, especially when you're trying to type down a question. It just makes the class last a little longer. But anyway, let's put in double study hours. But yeah, I put in this is kind of similar to the notifications on Windows 10. Did you know that when Microsoft is planning to stop supporting Windows 7? That's stupid. Windows 7 works far better than Windows 10, and it's less of a pain in the ass to try to fix programs. I've had like calls from people who want me to fix their computer because they think certain things are viruses, but it's actually a Microsoft application, and I would just disable it for them. That's all I have to do. But it's just a pain because these I don't like how these Windows 10 is set up. It's loads better than Windows 8 for sure, but the only use for Windows 10 is for gaming. That's my opinion. That's the only use. Otherwise, I would just use Windows 7 for programming, and that's it. Of course, I'm using Windows 10 here, but it's mostly for gaming. So, yeah, that's just off tangent rant. I'm already in 30 minutes. So, wow, that's a long time. So, let's see. And enter your name. And enter study hours. You know what? Let's keep that on there. Just realized. Normally, when you're writing a program, you put a capital in the middle. It's certain thing. I don't know what. Actually, I think I know why. You're supposed to do this because in the future, sometimes you'll have the same name, but it's either all lowercase or having a one in the end or something else. It's for, I can't remember what you call it. But yeah, let's continue. And then, so following variables, write C++ statement, input in string name and double study hours. Write a C++ statement that outputs the values in the name, says hello, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so COUT, hello, no, that's correct. Your study hours, wait. On a Saturday, you need to study for study hours. Hours for the exam. And that should do it. Let's go ahead and build. 4 seconds. They don't make them like they used to. I don't think this thing runs well, or maybe it has something to do with the update. Because I had to reinstall MingW multiple times. That's right, I'm using MingW, the lesser of the other one, because MingW is less than a pain in the ass to install than the others. I've tried having my professor help me install, but he said it's not worth it if you're having this much trouble. Just install MingW because it works just as well. But someday I'm going to properly install something. But honestly, it's easier with MingW because it has a executable. I should run it. It has an executable that helps you to reinstall and update this stuff, because I hate having to deal with the updates. So enter your name. Going to go with Mr. Man. Oops. Ham. I screwed up. Let's try it again. Mr. Man Ham. Darn it! I keep pressing enter too early. Maybe it's just a sticker. It's a sticky controls. There. I had to hit it fast. So enter your study hours. Average person does like 15. No. Yeah, 15 hours is good. We'll go with 15 hours. I had to cut some things out. I was very rudely interrupted. Wait. So, yeah, apparently it works. It says, "Hello, mister. On Saturday, you need to stay for 15 hours for the exam." Excuse me. Ugh. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, that's it. That's another 2 problems done in like less than 20 minutes. So, yeah, this is Mr. Man Ham. Obviously, I like ham. And I'm going to end here. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more. And I bid you a good day.